it's easy to reset your CSS styles for any class or selector. First, you'll select the actual item on your canvas and go over to the Styles pane. From there, make sure your class is selected under the Class Selector and scroll down to the Reset option. Here, you can individually select the styles that you wish to reset. This can be done for the class, type, or ID of the item. If you want to delete it, just click the X to delete the class. You can also reset the styles when working with multiple classes in a similar fashion. If I select this heading element, you'll see there's two classes applied. By clicking on one of the classes, it will deselect it and make it gray. And then when I go to the reset option, it will now allow me to choose to reset styles at a specific breakpoint, or I can reset them across the board.